Hey guys, today we are going to discuss how to fix camera bug in Roblox Mobile. So guys, today I'm going to show you multiple method. So just simply follow along. So for the first method, guys, is just simply try a different Roblox game. Because in some games, this error appear. And in some Roblox games, the error will not appear. So now guys, for the second method is just simply go to your Google Play Store and from here just search for Roblox. So for the second method, just make sure you are running the latest version of the Roblox. And from here, you should be able to see the update. If you have, instead of a play button, you should be able to see here update button. So now for the third method, just simply go to your settings on your device. And once you are on the settings, just go to apps. And from here, just simply find Roblox over here and now. Once you find it, just tap on it. And from here, you should be able to see storage. And after that, just tap on a clear cache. And after that, just simply tap on a clear data and tap on OK. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.